Welcome to Married to Portuguese. On each episode, my English-Irish husband, Bob, and I discuss and laugh about our life and adventures in the Portuguese culture. Hola.
Hola.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Hello. We're just going to keep saying hello to each other back and forth.
15 minutes of hello.
Just hola. Hello.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Yeah, this is
episode 16, and this week,
yes,
got a question. It may be a repeat question, but I don't think it's a topic we covered. Growing up English-Irish, were there any traditions or superstitions in my house? Did I grow up with any of that?
Oh, the luck of the Irish kind of thing.
No.
Oh.
No, I don't think. If we said it, we didn't.
No.
We didn't. That was pretty good, though.
Yeah, it was. I mean, that's usually, what you think of. You think of the pot of gold and the leprechaun and whoo-hoo, the Irish are lucky. That's what you...
No.
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 Okay.
I mean, my paternal grandfather came over from England when he was 2.
Yeah.
And I think for my other grandparents, they were probably, 2 or 3 generations removed from the old sod. So I don't think that there was much in the way of carryover.
Your family is from County Mayo.
Well, one family.
One family. Where's the other side from?
I don't know.
I thought they were from Bolton, England.
Well, but there's multiple grandparents.
Oh, that's true. But the last that we know, like your great grandparents, whatever, was County Mayo. Great? We're getting lost with the greats
I
there.
don't know. Some pretty good people. I don't know how...
How far back?
However,
but County Mayo, that's what we know.
No traditions, no superstitions to speak of. But I've lived with superstitions and traditions for nearly 40 years as an adult. So tell me.
You're throwing it on me. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm throwing it on you.
Okay.
So you've got some interesting ones.
Yes, we do.
I have to watch my language because when we stop rolling, I still live here. So.
Yes, you do.
All right. So we were out shopping today.
Yes.
Cute little store.
Yes.
In a very old house, like 300-year-old house.
Yeah.
And we were getting ready to leave, and you went, "Oh, we can't go out this door. It's not the door we came in. When you're in a place for the first time, you have to go out the same door you come in." What is that about? I didn't want to make a scene, but what is that about?
Oh, my goodness. You're going to bring that up.
Well, yes.
Yeah. Well, that's just one of the things that growing up Portuguese, it was like you had to, if you go into someone's home for the very first time, whatever door you come into the house, that's the door you leave. But after the first time, second time, third, whatever, doesn't matter. It's just the very first time.
Okay, but we weren't in somebody's home. We were at a store.
I don't
care. That was in an old house.
But there were plenty of doors.
So we weren't taking any chances.
We weren't taking any chances. I did not want to take any chances. It was just one of those things where I went, it was like, all of a sudden it was like, oh, no, we can't leave out that door. We didn't come in that door. We've never been here before.
It was closer to the car, by the way.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? We had to go the other way around. But that's okay. That's just, and I'm saying this, but I know that there are people out there that are listening to this, and they're like, oh, yes, I remember my mom and my grandmother doing the same thing.
All right, we went out the same door we came in, but I didn't feel lucky because we spent more than I wanted to spend.
Oh, my God. We did not.
You felt lucky because you came home with a full shopping bag.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
Okay, maybe.
You did. All right. So, I guess we're going to have to research this one. I don't know what the history of that is.
No, I don't either.
I don't know where it would come from.
No, I have no idea.
Wasn't there another twist where you have to go in on your right foot?
Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, Bob, you're really good at this. You remember. Yeah, that's the other thing.
I'm afraid to go into any building. That's why.
Just like in New Year's Eve, you've got to have the guy coming in, the right foot in, the whole bit. It's the same thing. You go to someone's home for the first time, you enter through the door, you enter through your right foot always right foot first. And again, leaving, you've got to leave through the same door. But then after that, it doesn't matter. It's just the first time.
Did it occur to you the person who made this up may have had OCD?
Could have been. Oh!
Everybody in the village is following the guy with OCD. OCD is not a laughing matter.
No, it's not. I was just going to say, that is not a laughing matter. But I'm not even going to go down that road. It's just something I've always heard, and always, it was like...
And just accepted it.
I just accepted it. I just accepted it. I didn't question it. It was just the way it was. In the same way, we have, the certain things in the house that were supposed to be, good luck.
Like all of the roosters we have?
Well, no. Well, yes and no. Yes and no. You're supposed to, for the rooster, you don't, I think we've said this before in another podcast. You can't buy you can't buy the rooster and go, oh, it's good luck for my home. It has to be a gift received.
If you buy it yourself, is it bad luck?
It's nothing. It's just a rooster to have.
You can buy it, just don't expect it to be lucky.
Right. But the way that I try to say it is you need to have someone buy it for you. You go, I need a rooster. That'd be really nice. Or if someone just got married or just bought a new home or just whatever, or you're coming to their house and you want to give them something, then after they have that first one as a gift, you can buy as many as you want. I'm just telling you. It's the way it is.
All right. But who gives you permission to buy as many as you want? Because I'd like to know, because we have an awful lot of them.
Okay.
Oh, so in order to keep the luck going, you need.
Yes.
No, I'm not. I don't believe that one.
Yes, you hit it on the nose. My mom had like maybe 1 or 2 roosters. That was about it in the kitchen, and that was it. But
not live.
Not live. No. The decorated ones. The decorated ones. Yes. But she also liked her elephant. There was always, growing up in a Portuguese home, you would go visit your tias, your, avó, your mom's friends, because you'd go along with them, whatever. Or you're going to make visitas to someone's house. There'd be a few things that would be like, you're going to see in a majority of the homes that I did when, growing up. It was, the large picture of President Kennedy, the Pope. That was always a big thing. Of course, the Last Supper things up on the wall, the picture in the dining room, you had to have that.
The dogs playing poker.
No dogs playing poker. We did not have the dogs playing poker. He was such a troublemaker. And, and of course, some roosters here and there, crosses over each door. That was one of the things too. What door you leave, whatever door you can come in and out, there was always a little cross above the door. And there was always an elephant. Somehow in the decorations, there was always an elephant. And the elephant it had to have the trunk going up. That was one of the things. The trunk had to go up.
Right. Do elephants have paws?
No, there was nothing to do with feet.
I know they don't have hooves.
No, the whole thing was that the trunk needed to be up, and you had to have the backside of the elephant to the direction of the front door, for whatever reason.
Right. So there's like 2 types of elephants, right? There's Indian elephants and there's African elephants. I think the difference is the size. So I'm not sure which elephants are indigenous to the Azores. I've been now to 5 islands. I haven't been so lucky myself as to see.
Okay.
I thought maybe at the Terra Nostra Gardens we'd see an elephant.
Okay, he's being fresh now. You're being fresh. We're just talking about superstitions. We're not talking about what's indigenous to us right now.
So the elephant
I don't know where that
starts this whole BS about good luck in order to sell more elephant statues.
We do not have elephant statues in our home. We don't. I didn't partake to that. But I remember growing up in it.
Let's make it a scavenger hunt. I'm betting I could find one.
Oh, I do have a little jade one. I do have a little one. A little tiny little one. I do. On my desk, I do have a little one.
A teacup packaging.
I do have a little one.
Mm-hmm.
I do.
Which way is it facing?
The tail is facing
it's
the door.
not random. See? So you're buying an elephant statue to stare at its ass.
Yeah, I guess.
I'm sorry for the language, Mom.
Sorry, Joan. Yeah, I guess. Yeah.
All right, so what about the sparrows?
Swallows is the swallows. Well, swallows have a whole different connotation. It isn't so much that it's like luck to have at home. Or does it bring good luck? I think it does also. I think that is. But swallows have a special meaning. Swallows they mate for life. And wherever they leave to migrate or whatever, they always come back to the same home. So it is it's more of a love, home, family kind of connotation with the sparrow, with the swallows.
So can I go out and buy one of those for myself?
Oh yeah, that's not a problem. I actually love seeing I've seen a wall where they have like a larger swallow and then all the smaller swallows coming after it, and it makes a whole big design on a wall. It's really neat. It's very pretty. We do not have swallows at home. We don't have not one.
Somehow we missed
the boat on swallows, but we can quickly turn them around.
How can we make up for lost time?
We gotta fix it. But I mean that's about it. I mean you never buy knives as a gift for someone. That was a thing where you went, oh no, you don't buy knives for people.
I guess I'm going to rethink Mother's Day.
Joan, he would not give you a set of knives. And I don't want a set of knives. No, you don't buy gifts of knives for someone. That was a big no-no.
What weapons can you give them?
I mean, just a wooden spoon was enough of a weapon for any mom to have. I mean, you were ready with that as well as your chinelo, which is your slipper. I mean, my grandmother could throw her slipper. You could be across 2 rooms. And that woman, if you said something, she had ears, she could pick up radar. And it could and she would say something that was not what she would take that, she would fling it, and most likely you would get hit in the head all the time.
Unless
you had an elephant.
And then she would miss and then if the slipper hit the elephant and broke it.
Oh, that would not be good. That would not be good.
For both of you.
Yeah, it would not be good. No.
You and her. All right, so robins. How lucky are robins?
I have no idea. No, robins do not come playing in this. No.
No?
No.
Any other birds?
No.
Chickens?
No. Okay. Although I do like their eggs, but no. No, it's not for us, we always like cardinals. We always love to see cardinals, but that's not a Portuguese thing. But we do see cardinals a lot, and I know that always has to be we always think of your dad whenever we see cardinals.
Right.
So, but that's not part of the Portuguese traditions of good luck, bad luck, whatever.
Right, so blue underwear good, red underwear bad. Elephants good if they're facing the right way and their trunk is up.
The trunk has to be up. Mm-hmm.
Roosters of any type are good, so
Anytime.
long as you don't buy the first one.
Exactly.
And expect it to be lucky.
Exactly.
And you can have all of the swallows you want.
Yes.
Because they don't mean anything except home. There's
home,
no
family, love, that kind of thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you understand that now?
No. I repeated it, but I don't understand it.
Well, the whole thing with blue underwear, yes, red, no. We had so many people sending us messages of us looking at selling blue underwear. So we will work on that. We will work on finding blue underwear as
a public service.
I
Not
mean,
for me. I want you folks to have the best. We'll have it in time for 2024.
Yes,
so.
And I love the fact that someone said they want to wear blue underwear for every important occasion because to bring them good luck, and it would be the quacas de boa sorte. So it is, the underwear of good luck. So we're going to work really hard on trying to find that. So
we're working on that.
We're working on it.
All right, so we should run right now and go work on it.
Okay. All right, let's go work on that.
All right. Cheers, folks.
Cheers, guys.
Next time. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'd love to hear your ideas for topics. Ciao.